loves. I want to share something important today. Over the last months, many of you came here for sexual mastery, dry orgasms, breath work, control, power. But through the discovery calls and private coaching and meeting some of you in person, I've noticed something consistent. Men are trying to upgrade their sexual performance while their nervous system is fragmented from heartbreak. And when I ask, what is driving this? What's the real motivation? What brought you here? Very often underneath, there's a rupture. There's a breakup, a divorce, a separation, a situationship that didn't end as they wished, or just an old heartbreak that was never integrated. And you cannot build sexual mastery on top of an unresolved rupture. When a relationship ends, it doesn't just affect your emotions. It reorganizes your nervous system. It imprints your body. It shifts your identity. And the body doesn't experience time the same way your mind does. So what was never processed continues to repeat. Sometimes it's not even only yours. Sometimes you are reenacting patterns you witnessed in your father, in your grandfather, or it's in your lineage. And many of you have told me, I'm living the same story they lived, and that's not a coincidence. Most men suppress it. They will work more. They will train harder. They will scroll more. They will watch porn. They will move cities, change countries, start over. I'm a digital nomad, and everywhere I see them, other digital nomads doing the same thing in different time zones. It's a new pub, it's a new lover, a new chase, and it's the same pattern. And I have prepared a series. It's called the Post-Breakup Sexual Reset. It's for men who are tired of repeating, for men who are ready to do the work, who are tired of talking about their ex, even when they pretend that they're over it. For the men who don't want to carry this old grief into a new bed. So for 10 weeks, I will be guiding a structured process where we stabilize your nervous system, integrate grief. I will be supporting with this accountability because breakup is a grief and we need this rite of passage to reclaim your sexual energy consciously. Every breakup is filled with grief. Grief for what was and grief for what wasn't chosen. Grief for versions of yourself that didn't happen. When you access grief through a breakup, it often reopens an older grief. That's why sometimes divorce feels like worse than death, because it activates everything. And in each week, it will include, of the series, it will include a specific embodied practice, nervous system work, sexual exercises, obviously, breath work, and it will build coherence of your heart, nervous system, sexual coherence. And the goal is very simple. You enter your next chapter clean, regulated, grounded, sexually integrated, not suppressing, not exploding, not leaking energy into performance or compulsion. If you are here for sexual mastery, this is not separated from that work. This is the foundation, because true sexual mastery is not ejaculation control. It is nervous system regulation. It's expanding your window of tolerance. It's holding power without collapse. And if this speaks to you, the details are here below. For men who are ready to do this reorganization after this relational rupture, this is for you. Post-breakup sexual and emotional reset.